Yes, good morning, good afternoon. Now, here I am going to start our new topic and last part of this chapter, that is new sign convention. New sign convention. New sign convention for lenses. New sign convention for lenses that we are going to see here. For that, let us see. Here is our principal axis. This is our convex lens. Here is our principal axis passing through the optical center. X dash is the principal axis. Suppose object is kept on left. Here is our object. Object is kept on left. Here is the upward height. Upward height taken as a positive. Upward height is taken as a positive. Here is the direction of incident light. Direction of incident light and distance against the incident light. If we are measuring the distance against the incident light, that would be taken as negative. अभी बताऊंगा सब में. Here the image formed. Here is say A dash B dash. Downward height is taken as negative. The downward height taken as a negative. Distance along the incident line. Distance along the incident line. Distance along the incident line, that is positive. Write down. Then image is formed on right. Object is left. Object is put in on left. See that. Draw this figure, बच्चों, here. Draw this figure. What is going on? Now see that. What is the first observation we are going to see here? According to the new sign convention, the principal axis of the lens is taken along. Principal axis of the lens is taken along x dash. You can see here. It is along x dash. Okay. Now see that. Second thing which we are observing here, the principal axis passing through the optical center. Object is taken on the left side of the lens. Object is taken along the left side of the lens. Object is taken along the left side of the lens. Light is incident on the lens from the left hand side. All the distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the optical center of the lens. All the distances are measured from the optical center of the lens. Is that clear? See that. The distance measured in the direction of incident light are taken as positive. अगर हम इधर की ओर measurement करेंगे, if the distance measured in the direction of incident light, we may take as a positive. See here. Suppose जैसे image distance measure करनी है आपको. This is the image distance from the optical center. They may call as a V. It is in the direction of incident light, so it is positive. Here. This is the image distance. Similarly, here you can see the distance measured in a direction opposite to the direction of incident light. ये opposite to the direction of incident light इधर measure कर रहा है, that is negative. जैसे ये object distance है, object distance from optical center is called u, so that is negative. See that u is negative, v is positive. All the distances are measured from optical center. Okay, the distance measured in the direction opposite to the direction of incident light are taken as negative. The height upwards, ये height upwards जो है यहाँ पर, that is positive. h1 मान लें इसको आप. Height of the image, that is downward, say it is h2, it is negative. So these are the major sign convention. Draw this figure. These are the sign convention here. With the help of sign convention, I can write the length formula. Write down here length formula. That is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. See this formula. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. One by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, here you can see a convex lens may form a real image, as well as with the help of convex lens we may form a virtual image depending on the position of the object. Concave lens form a virtual image whatever the object may be. So remember, in both the side, v is the distance of the image from the optical center, it is positive here. U is the object distance from the optical center, and f is the focal length. लिख लो अभी. V is the image distance. V is the image distance in centimeter. U is the object distance. U is the object distance in centimeter. Yes. Now, here we are going to discuss linear magnification produced by the lens. Now, we are going to see linear magnification. We are going to see a new article, that is linear magnification. Here we are going to see the linear magnification. Linear magnification produced by the lens. Linear magnification produced by the lens, that we are going to learn. लिखिए, linear magnification produced by the lens. It is the ratio of the size of the image. Write down the definition. It is the ratio of the size of the image. It is the ratio of the size of the image. That is size of the image, that is I. It is the ratio of the size of the image as formed by the reflection through the lens to the size of the object. To the size of the object. To the size of the object O. Write down this definition here. The linear magnification produced by the lens is the ratio of the size of the image I as formed by refraction through the lens to the size of the object. So linear magnification here is linear magnification. The formula for the linear magnification is size of the image divided by size of the object. Here you can write size of the image divided by size of the object. Size of the image to that of size of the image divided by size of the object. Size of the object. I मतलब image. O means object. So I can write here M is equal to I by O. That is equal to height of the image, suppose h2. Height of the object is h1. So here I can say h2 by h1. Concave lens forms an image which is always smaller than the object. So linear magnification for a concave lens is less than 1. Linear magnification for concave lens is always less than 1. Yes. Linear magnification by a concave lens is always less than 1. Write down. Convex lens, the linear magnification for a concave lens can be 1 or less than 1 or more than 1. Linear magnification for a convex lens, लिखिए linear magnification for a convex lens can be 1, here it will be equal to 1, it will be less than 1 or greater than 1. हर प्रकार की इमेज बनती है यहाँ पर. साइज ऑफ द इमेज इक्वल भी बनती है, ग्रेटर भी बनती है और लेस भी बनती है कंपेयर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई मैग्निफिकेशन चेंजेस. So I can say the linear magnification produced by the convex lens or concave lens, it is also the ratio of the image distance to that of object distance. आगे और लिख लीजिए एक और फॉर्मूला V by U. So this is the formula here. Linear magnification also equal to yes. So write down this formula here. Linear magnification M is equal to H2 by H1 or V by U, or I can say it is V by U. Okay, so this is there. Now my dear children, I can say the next part of this chapter is power of a lens. Power of a lens. Here, see that the power of a lens what does it mean? Power of a lens is defined as the ability of lens. It is the ability of the lens. It is the ability of a lens to convert the rays of light convert the rays of light, to convert the rays of light falling on it, to raise the converge of light falling on it. Convex lens converges the rays of light falling in it. Convex lens, what is the role of convex lens here? My dear children, convex lens convergent the rays of light falling on it. That convergent the rays of light falling on it. Therefore, power of a convex lens is said to be positive. Power of a convex lens is said to be positive. On the other hand, concave lens diverges the rays of light. Concave lens diverges the rays of light falling on it. So power of a concave lens diverges. Concave lens diverges the rays of light falling on it. So power of a concave lens is said to be negative. Power of a concave lens is said to be negative. लिख लीजिए ये. It is the ability of the lens to converges the rays of light falling on it. For convex lens and concave lens we have written here. So power of a lens is given by, लिखिए power of a lens. So power of a lens is given by reciprocal of focal length of the lens. Reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. Reciprocal of the focal length. Reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. Reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. So I can see, my dear children, power of a lens P is equal to 1 by F. Write down, power of a lens P is equal to 1 by F. For convex lens, focal length is positive. For convex lens, focal length is positive. For convex lens, focal length is positive. So power is positive. The power of a convex lens is positive. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की बच्चों फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव होती है तो पावर भी पॉजिटिव होगा. एंड फॉर कॉन्केव लेंस द फोकल लेंथ इज नेगेटिव. So power of a concave lens is negative. So convex lens would diverges. Concave lens would diverges the rays of light. Concave lens diverges the rays of light falling on it. SI unit of power of a lens. The SI unit, Standard International. SI stands for Standard International. The SI unit of a power of a lens is diopter. लिखो the SI unit of a power of a lens is diopter. So P in diopter is equal to 1 by F focal length in meter. So this is the formula here. So my dear children, I can say, अगर मैं आपसे कहूं focal length 1 meter है, if focal length is 1 meter, then power is 1 diopter, or I can write 1 D. If the focal length is 1 meter, then 1 diopter is the power of a lens. So I can see, my dear children, 1 diopter of a power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Whose focal length is 1 meter. Power of an instrument, write down, the power of an instrument can be measured by an instrument called dioptrimeter. Dioptrimeter. The power of a lens can be measured by an instrument called dioptrimeter. The power can be measured with this instrument. So my dear children, it is used by the opticians to measure the power of a specs. जैसे मैंने ये लगा रखा है मेरा चश्मा, that can be measured by opticians. So power of a lens in diopter, power of a lens in diopter is called the number of lens या number of my specs. जितना पावर होगा वो उसका नंबर कहलाता है. तो power of a lens is measured by number of the lens. For example, convex lens. For example, convex lens of focal length 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter means 0.5 meter. 50 centimeter means 0.5 meter. It has a power is equal to, so power is equal to 1 upon 0.5, that is twice of D, 2 diopter. This is the power here. So its number is said to be +2. अगर ये आता है तो वो कहलाएगा +2, जिसके पास की आंखें कमजोर होती है. जैसे मेरा जो ये चश्मा है इसके डायऑप्टर है +1.75. ये 1.25 नंबर का चश्मा है जो मैंने लगा रखा है. तो my number is +1.75. that is the power of a lens. Similarly, a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Say the focal length is -0.1 centimeter. Focal length जो है 1 centimeter in meter. Here, convert it into a meter. So as a power of P बराबर 1 upon -0.1. तो -10 D आ गया, 10 diopter. This is the number of the lens. जिसके दूर की आंखें कमजोर हो. Usually, focal length of a lens is given in centimeter. Usually, focal length of a lens is given in a centimeter. So I can write here P of diopter is equal to 100 by F centimeter. Here, this is there. अगर बच्चों पावर ऑफ ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेंस का मालूम है, अगर एक साथ एक कॉन्वेक्स लेंस फिर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस फिर कॉनकेव लेंस फिर कॉनकेवेक्स लेंस लगे हुए एक साथ, तो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ए लेंस in a combination of a lens the total power is given by P1 plus P2 plus P3. इस प्रकार से जुड़ जाएगा. So when a number of thin lenses are placed in contact, when a number of thin lenses are placed in contact with one another, then the power of the combination is equal to the algebraic sum of all the power of the lens. सबको जोड़ लीजिए, कॉन्वेक्स पढ़ा हुआ है, कॉनकेव पढ़ा हुआ है, कॉन्वेक्स कॉनकेव, इस प्रकार से हर एक के पावर P1 P2 P3 P4 मान लिए, तो इस प्रकार से हम जोड़ लेंगे. For example, convex lens has a power plus 5d. Placed in contact with an concave lens, convex lens के आगे concave lens लगा दिया हमने और उसका पावर मान लीजिए -2d है. एक convex lens, then concave lens, ऐसे हमने लगा दिया. जैसे यूं समझ लो, ये concave lens और ये concave lens, इसका पावर 5d और इसका पावर -2d. See that? Then the power of the combination would be P is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. दोनों को जोड़ लिया हमने. This is the combination of lens. 3D diopter ऐसे लिखेंगे हम, unit. It is a diopter. So such a combination of lens are used. कहां पर काम में लेते हैं सर इनको? कैमरे में काम में लेते हैं, टेलीस्कोप में काम में लेते हैं. They are used in cameras, telescope, microscope to increase the sharpness of the image. If you want to increase the sharpness of the image, clarity of the image, so we may use the combination of lens. Or also we use to remove the defects of image formed by single lens. अगर एक सिंगल लेंस से आपको साफ नहीं दिखा दे रहा है, तो उस इमेज को सही करने के लिए भी हम कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेंस काम में लेते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल ओवर दिस चैप्टर. आपके पास जब नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे को मिलेंगे, तब तक इस चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चन आप करेंगे. ऑल द सोल्ड क्वेश्चन एंड अनसोल्ड क्वेश्चन you have to do in your copy. If it is any problem, then you may ask. Okay? Bye. Time is over.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you are enjoying a lot.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अरे पढ़ने में मजा आ रहा है, जोएल गट्टियानी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, मेरे को अटेंडेंस भेज दो. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.